What's your age?
I'm 19.
How long you been with your boyfriend?
A year, almost 2 years.
So if he gave you a guilt-free pass to have fun with anybody, would you take it?
No. No.
Why not?
Because I think a relationship is more than a guilt-free pass. Like even if he gave me one, I wouldn't just go out partying with my friends. My friends aren't like that either. They wouldn't let me.
Do you think he would take it if you gave him one?
I hope not.
Realistically.
Realistically, I don't think so. But we live in Miami, and these girls are all, you know.
You don't think you add up to it?
No. I just mean the girls are like something I can't say on TikTok because you'll get reported.
I don't think so.
They're all sluts here. That's the whole thing.
See, sluts isn't really a bad word, though.
Okay, yeah.
But in your mind, like, why do you think there are a lot of sluts in Miami?
Because there's a lot of girls trying to compete, and a lot of girls think that the only way to get a boyfriend is to, like, sell their body out.
But that's prostitution.
Oh, well, not like that either. Not prostitution, but, like, to dress a sort of way to get a guy's attention, like...
I have reached my breaking point of having to do this life thing alone. I just want to be held, nurtured, loved, cared for, physically, emotionally, spiritually, mentally, in all aspects. I want my heart and soul to be seen and held. I just can't do it alone anymore, and I'm at my breaking point. I can do it physically alone. I've been doing it, but I don't want to. I don't deserve to, because I am worthy of companionship, of community, of love, of affection, of support, of someone lifting me up, motivating me, encouraging me. I am worthy of that. So I deserve to receive that. I don't want to do it alone anymore, and I've been crying all day because of it.
I hope she finds a husband. A really nice one.
What's your age?
I'm 33.
Are you a virgin?
Yes.
Why is it that you chose to wait?
When I was really young and I had crushes on other girls and they may have had a crush on me and then maybe they developed a crush on somebody else, I was like, oh, well, is she really mine? And now that she's had, a relationship with somebody else or a crush on somebody else or she kissed somebody else. And I thought there's got to be some level of physical intimacy that is supposed to be just between me and my eternal partner. When I first learned what sex was, I was like, this is it. This is what a man and woman who are committed to each other in marriage should do exclusively.
But are you also looking for a virgin woman?
No, that's a good question. For me, I think that's right for me, and I want to be able to provide that commitment to my wife. I understand that's unrealistic in today's society, so I'd be open to dating someone who is not also a virgin.
Do you think that women who have already had previous sexual partners are going to be as attracted to you knowing that you're a virgin?
I'm not sure, and sometimes I wonder if that's the reason why I'm still single.
I hope he finds a wonderful wife, like a amazing low body count woman, so they can peer bond.
What were your exes like?
I was like paying for not everything, but I was paying for a lot of things.
Did you like that role?
No, I didn't like it at all.
Why not?
I felt like there was like an imbalance in the relationship. Like it's either like the man is the provider or it's equal. Like I feel like it made me feel uncomfortable to be like constantly putting like money out for meals and stuff. Just made me feel weird.
Felt like you were outside of your comfort zone playing a different man's role?
Yeah, that's exactly it. That's exactly what it felt like. Yeah.
And as females, we need to live in our feminine energy.
So why do so many modern day females preach, being the breadwinner and having a stay-at-home dad then?
I'm going to be honest about this, and this can go on social media. These women need to stop doing this. It is ruining men. It's ruining men. When women are taking on these masculine roles, it creates an imbalance in society. Women are supposed to be in their feminine energy and receive, not be in their masculine energy and provide for men. That it just doesn't work like that. That's not how it's supposed to be.
So who do we have to blame for this outcome?
The liberated women who are creating these problems for these men. And yeah, now we have a society of all these men who want women to take care of them. It doesn't work like that, guys. Sorry.
What's the cheapest date you'd go on?
my house. Like I will go on a date that's just at house, Taco Bell, McDonald's. I'm a very cheap date kind of girl.
This is even for a first date.
I would say that's like basic third date. McDonald's, just watching a movie. But first date kind of thing, I'm like, you can take me to a park, like something easy. It makes me less nervous, lets me get to know you, talk one-on-one. I don't like screaming over bars, so.
So why would McDonald's, Chipotle be like Taco Bell be date 3 as opposed to 1?
Because if I'm letting you go to my house on date 1, I think that says a lot about me. So we have to wait until date 3.
But there's a lot of women that go to guys' house on date 1 or vice versa.
Respectful 100%. You do you, but as me, I'm like a very small person, so I don't trust men enough to have them over my house and vice versa.
So if you let a guy come over first date, what does that say about you to you?
I can be a slut if I want to be a slut. I'm scared. Guys can be scary. So I just want to make sure that you're safe and a good person before I'm bringing you over and before you're bringing me over.
Listen, if you let him hit on the first night, don't be upset when he doesn't call you the following day. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to date you. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to court you. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to be with you, because you already gave him the prize. You gave him the gift before he even worked for it. The fuck?